Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the microscopic world, a world teeming with wonders often too small to see with our naked eyes. It's a universe of its own, hidden in plain sight, and we're going to explore it with the help of an incredible tool, the microscope. Get ready to have your minds blown as we uncover 10 fascinating facts about microscopes. Let's get started. Imagine a world where we couldn't see things smaller than a pinhead. That was life before the microscope. This incredible invention, like so many in science, revolutionized the way we see the world. Suddenly, scientists could observe cells, bacteria, and all sorts of tiny structures, unlocking mysteries that had baffled them for centuries. It was like getting a brand new set of eyes, but instead of seeing far away, we could now see the incredibly small. Now you might be thinking those early microscopes were pretty crude, and you'd be right. The very first ones were called flea glasses, and for a good reason. These simple microscopes, with just a single lens, were mostly used to get a closer look at tiny insects like fleas, can you imagine? But hey, every scientific journey begins somewhere, and the flea glass was a big first step. Let's talk about Antony van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch scientist who took those early microscopes to a whole new level. Leeuwenhoek was a master lens grinder, crafting lenses far more powerful than anyone had before. With his souped-up microscopes, he became the first human to lay eyes on bacteria and other single-celled organisms, which he called animalcules. Talk about a game changer. Leeuwenhoek opened the door to the incredible world of microbiology, and for that, he's earned the title Father of Microbiology. Over time, microscopes have evolved just like the life forms they help us study. Today, we have a whole family of microscopes, each with its own superpower. There's the optical microscope, your classic microscope that uses light and lenses to magnify. Then there's the electron microscope, which uses beams of electrons to see things at even higher magnifications. And for getting up close and personal with surfaces, we have the scanning probe microscope. It's like having a toolkit, each tool revealing different secrets of the microscopic world. Hold on to your hats because we're about to talk about magnification power. Those early microscopes, the flea glasses, they could magnify things maybe 20 or 30 times their actual size. Not bad. But modern microscopes? Get this, they can magnify objects up to 1,000,000 times their original size. That's like blowing up a postage stamp to the size of a football field. It's hard to even wrap your head around that kind of magnification. You know what's really mind-blowing? With the most powerful microscopes, like those incredible electron microscopes, we can now see individual atoms. Atoms, the tiny building blocks of everything around us. For centuries, atoms were just a theory, a concept. But thanks to microscopes, we've entered the realm of seeing the unseeable, proving once again the power of science and technology to push the boundaries of human understanding. Microscopes are more than just cool scientific instruments. They're essential tools in medicine. Doctors and researchers rely on them every day to diagnose diseases, study tissues, and develop life-saving treatments. Think about it. Blood tests, biopsies, analyzing bacteria cultures. All of these procedures depend on microscopes. They're the silent partners in medical labs around the world, helping us live healthier lives. Now let's zoom out for a moment and talk about telescopes. You might be thinking, wait, telescopes, what do those have to do with microscopes? Well, in a way, a telescope is like a giant microscope pointed at the vastness of space. Take the Hubble Space Telescope, for example. It's essentially a giant eye in the sky, allowing us to see distant galaxies and stars with incredible detail. Just like a microscope reveals the hidden world of the tiny, telescopes reveal the hidden wonders of the cosmos. Microscopes haven't just revealed the unseen, they've fueled countless discoveries across many scientific fields. Think about it. We've discovered new species of microorganisms, unraveled the complexities of cells, and even explored the intricate structures of viruses. Every time we peer through a microscope, we have the potential to uncover something new, to add another piece to the puzzle of our universe. It's this constant quest for knowledge that makes science so exciting. So, what does the future hold for microscopy? Well, scientists are constantly pushing the limits of these instruments, developing new techniques and technologies to see even smaller, even clearer. We're talking about the world of nanotechnology, where we manipulate matter at the atomic and molecular level. Imagine the possibilities. Building tiny machines, developing new materials, and understanding the world at its most fundamental level, the future of microscopy is full of potential for incredible breakthroughs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about microscopes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating science videos. We've only scratched the surface of the microscopic world, and there's so much more to discover. Remember, science is everywhere, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and most importantly, stay curious. See you next time.